Hi everyone, myself Prithvi. Today I welcome you all for a very new topic is about what are all the stocks is going to impact from the stock budget, how the whether the news is in the positive side, whether the news is in the negative side, how that is going to impact on the sector wise. In the sector wise, which are all the stocks may impact on the positive side, which are all the stocks which may impact on the negative side. I'll be explaining that in the video. So the stocks on radar with respect to the budget, though in the first sector is about banks, public sector banks, central bank, Bank of Baroda, PNB banks. Their street is expecting the privatization. There may be a privatization may come that may impact positive on the stocks like central bank, Bank of Baroda and PNB. So there is also a bad bank announcement is there. There may it is expected from the street that S Bank and IDBI banks are in the list that the stocks on radar on the budget day. So next sector is cigarettes. So every times the budget comes, there is some worry on the stocks like ITC, Godfrey, Philp and VST. There may be a tax hike on the cigarette, so that may impact negative on the stocks. So next is about infrastructure investment is expecting from the market. So market is expecting the infrastructure investment. So whenever the financial crisis in the country in the past, the government was invested in the infrastructure investments to boost the economy so that it will gonna keep the growth of the GDP in the future. So the stocks on radar with respect to infrastructure investment is L&T, Larsen and Toubro, IRB Infra, DILIP BUILDCON, NCC, ASHOKA BUILDCON. So in the last one, VA Tech, it's related to a Bharat Jal. It may be a water tech company. There may be a reforms may come. That's expected the stocks on radar. So next sector is about housing loan segment. So the tax structure on the deductions may be increased, so that may impact positive on the stocks like LIC, HFL, Canfins and HDFC. These are the three stocks which on radar on the housing segments, and other stocks also. The top three stocks are like this. So in the affordable housing segment, the tax holiday is expected. DLF on the stocks on radar first, second one GODREJ properties, third one is Prestige Estates. These are the three stocks which are highly in focus in affordable housing segment. So recently in 3-4 months back in the Maharashtra, there was a stamp duty cut, so that it has impacted a positive on the stocks like this DLF, GODREJ properties, real Prestige Estates. So that is maybe expected from the budget also. So next sector is the power supply reforms. Is there any power supply reforms may expected? So that may impact positive on the stocks like NTPC, Power Grid, NHPC in the public sector side. So in the private sector, Tata Power, ADANI Power, TORRENT Power, these are the stocks on focus. Next is iron ore exports higher duty. If there is higher duty in the exports, that may impact on the stocks like Tata Steel, JSW Steel, JSPL. So next, coking coal import duty, the state is expecting the no duty, that may impact positive on the stocks like Tata Steel, JSW and JSPL. Next sector is insurance. Is there any more deduction on the Mediclaim that may impact positive on the stocks like ICICI, Lombard and New India Assurance? There is also an expectation for an insurance sector that more FDI limit. So the present FDI limit is at 49%. The street is expecting to hike that limit to 74%. So it may impact positive on the stocks like this. So next is PHARMA PLI scheme. Is there any PHARMA PLI scheme? Reforms may come, so that may impact the positive on the stocks like DIVIS Lab, Granules India and IOL Chemical. So next is comes to exports in pharma. The stocks on radar which is going to impact positive on the scheme which is going to come from the budget is new road tape scheme, that may impact positive on the stocks like GLENMARK Pharma, Sun Pharma and Dr. REDDY'S Lab. These are the stocks on focus. And in the healthcare segment, in the COVID situation, we expected and we have seen the higher spending in the hospital side. Apollo Hospital and Fortis on the radar. Next is come to hospital building side, Max Health, Narayana, HURDAYALAYA, that's on the focus. So this is all about the sector wise, the stocks wise, the specific what the market is expecting from the budget and what the budget may give, and it's going to impact on the stocks like this what I will explained from the video. So this is the stocks on radar. So I think this video is useful for the people, those who want to watch the stocks on the budget day and after budget day, how it's going to impact on this kind of stocks, whether it is in the positive side, whether it is the negative side, when it comes from when the outcome of the project. So this is all about the today's video. In the next video I'll be coming up with a very new topic called budget estimation for FY22, the profit and loss account of the government. So till then, bye bye, thank you all. Do like, subscribe to my channel for the further videos about the budget.